Oh my! How rude! No, we're with you. No. Open.
Nope,
No, this isn't the right one.
I'll get the next.
Oh, Malasada, how I love you.
And darling, I'm bleeding, and your love killing. I'll show you off. I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. And darling, I'm bleeding, and your love killing. I'll show you off. I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Whoa, what's going on with that?
I don't trust you.
I'm thirsty. I'm tired.
That you believed in me, but I don't trust you.
Wow.
I don't trust you.
Hold on. Hold on, let's see. Let me see. Hey, look at me. Hey, what do you want to drink?
Believed in me.
Diet Coke.
Okay, Hana attempt number 2. Going the real road way today, and so far so good.
You're not on your way to 12, are you?
No, I think this is good.
I'm gonna cut your hand off.
Okay.
Let's go. Walk.
Nut bread, I think, and banana bread,
Yeah, the only place open is
the cafe, and they have some bread in there.
Banana bread, yeah.
And that was really good.
Ronnie?
Hey, my man.
Yeah.
Hey, Miles. Tell me what you have there.
I have a flower
Where'd you get it?
You know what they've been
for
cut
that
so
man.
Okay, boys, we're gonna get a bunch of different things.
Why do you do that? Share.
This one, and the coconut bread.
Okay.
Carb Central.
My camera was working and I brought it. The only reason I didn't bring it was because it wasn't working. Very sweet. I would more like to take a picture of this bike.
Where's the beach, boys?
Over there. Over there.
Is it our secret beach?
Yes.
All right, here we go to the red sand beach.
searching the whole ocean, wondering if the skies would clear, treading softly in slow motion. But I think the time is near. But I think the time is near.
Oh, isn't it amazing? Emmett, why can't we swim here? It's a naked beach. We didn't know it was a naked beach. It's really, really amazing. Totally bummed that some people don't have clothes on. What did you guys get for lunch?
I got chicken quesadilla.
I got a pork quesadilla.
Chicken quesadilla.
Emmett, I want to see your hair.
Quesadilla.
Look at this black sand. It looks like ants.
Got into my pants and I really want to dance. Every Sunday they come to
Stuart, what flavor did you get?
and chips.
Yum.
Ice cream.
Coconut blends. It's all organic, vegan ice cream. Silly.
Wait in the water. If we fade, why even bother? The worst case, we will sink to the bottom. Take our place with the loves we have long forgotten. Moving quickly towards you, wondering what you're all about. If we found a love that's true.
Are you guys building a sandcastle?
No, not exactly. Building a wall.
Oh, a wall to keep back the ocean? I'm sure that'll be effective.
That's the whole entire town.
Oh, and what's the volcano gonna do?
Blow up in
3 minutes. All right, I better get clear.
3 minutes. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
With the loves we have long I'm supposed to be.